Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have an essential tool for all you plant enthusiasts out there: the GROWIT Soil Moisture Meter for plants. If you want to ensure the health and vitality of your indoor plants, this moisture meter is a game changer. Stick around as we dive into all the features and benefits of this fantastic gardening tool. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Let's begin by talking about the standout features of this moisture meter. First and foremost, this moisture meter is all about precision. It provides accurate and rapid readings of your soil's moisture levels. This means no more guesswork when it comes to watering your indoor plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this tool helps you maintain the optimal moisture levels for healthy plant growth. Here's the beauty of it: no batteries required. This meter is user-friendly with a single probe that's easy to insert into the soil. Just stick it in, and you can read the moisture level on the analog display. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike, making plant care hassle-free and efficient. This moisture meter is incredibly versatile. It's suitable for use in gardens, lawns, farms, and even with potted plants. Whether you're a professional farmer or a gardening enthusiast, this tool can help you optimize crop yields and ensure your plants are thriving. You can confidently monitor and adjust soil moisture levels to meet the unique needs of different plant species. Worried about breaking the bank on gardening equipment? Don't be. This moisture meter is budget-friendly, providing all the necessary features and functionalities without draining your wallet. It's a perfect choice for gardeners and farmers on a budget. But wait, there's more. The folks at Craft 911 are committed to customer satisfaction. They offer a 90-day money-back warranty. If you encounter any issues with the moisture meter, they'll replace it at no cost to you. That's peace of mind you can count on. Now that we've covered the features, let's talk about how to use this moisture meter effectively. It's as simple as inserting the probe into the soil, waiting for a moment, and then reading the moisture level on the analog display. Remember, the red zone indicates it's time to water, while the green zone means your plant is well hydrated. And here's the icing on the cake. When you purchase this GROWIT soil moisture meter, you'll also receive 15 plant tags and a handy plant guide absolutely free. These accessories will help you keep track of your plants and ensure they receive the care they deserve. In conclusion, the GROWIT soil moisture meter for plants is a must-have tool for any indoor plant lover. It's accurate, easy to use, versatile, budget-friendly, and backed by a 90-day money-back warranty. With this moisture meter, you'll take the guesswork out of plant care and watch your indoor garden thrive. So, if you want to give your plants the best care they deserve, click the link in the description below to get your GROWIT soil moisture meter today. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of top-quality products. That's all for today's review. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. We'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!